안녕하세요, 터미입니다. This time I have invited Sajoti, one of my fast Korean course students. I will briefly introduce Sajoti. She is from Bangladesh and she is 26 years old. To summarize her achievements, Sajoti proudly passed TOPIK level 3 in just 2 months. When I first met on August 9th, her level was TOPIK 1 level 2. So she jumped into studying at an intermediate level. After 2 months of intense program, I asked her to take a mock test and she scored listening 48, writing 58 for a total of 106 points. This is around TOPIK level 3. Congratulations! Now let's hear in detail how Sajoti achieved these results. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So can you give me a brief self-introduction?
Yeah, I am Sajoti. I live in Bangladesh. I am 26 years old and I am a postgraduate. Learning new languages is my hobby.
Oh, okay. So you like to learn another language as well?
Yes.
What languages are you learning?
I know Hindi and I also learn language in Indian. It's Kannada and now Korean.
Oh, okay. So you can speak English, Indian, Kannada, and
Kannada.
and also Hindi
Yes.
and Korean.
My mother, yes.
Wow, so Korean is your fourth language.
Yes.
Okay. What made you decide to learn Korean?
Learning new languages has always been passion of mine and I am a huge fan of Korean dramas and I love their culture truly and I genuinely want to speak Korean and understand their language more deeply. Moreover, knowing the language will help me to pursue higher education in South Korea in the future.
Oh, okay. Why do you want to study in South Korea?
I want to study PhD.
Oh, PhD. What's major?
Agriculture, biotechnology.
Wow, sounds very technical. Wow, so you want to pursue PhD for agriculture in South Korea.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So is there any reason that you want to go South Korea instead of your country?
Actually, my country is good, but South Korea is very good. So in higher study, I choose South Korea for PhD because South Korean government pay attention in PhD level research. They are very focused on this sector. That's why I choose South Korea for my higher education.
Before taking my fast Korean course, what was your Korean level?
Before enrolling your first Korean course, I was studying on my own and my level was maybe topic level 2. I knew some basic grammars and some everyday vocabularies, but I struggle a lot with fluency and higher level text.
Oh, okay. So you're struggling with the higher level text. In other words, like intermediate level vocabulary.
Yes.
Okay, so how were you studying at the time?
I use free online materials and YouTube videos.
What struggles did you have?
My biggest challenges I faced in learning were grammar and building confidence in speaking, and I studied regularly while using online materials and YouTube videos, but my progress was very slow, and although I could memorize many grammar rules, but I didn't know how to use them naturally while speaking, and without proper guidance I couldn't improve my conversation skills and that affected my confidence.
Why did you decide to take my fast Korean?
After registering for the TOPIK exam, I realized that I had only about 3 months left, but I didn't have enough knowledge about the language. So I wanted proper guidance to learn as quickly and effectively as possible and prepare myself for the exam as well as basic communication.
Oh, okay. So before we met, you already applied for a topic.
Yeah.
You wanted to go, but then you didn't know how to prepare.
Yeah.
After after enrolling, how many months did it take to see results?
About a month after joining the course, I started noticing a real progress. I could understand many words, grasp grammatical rules, and know when to use which expressions, and was able to speak a little Korean.
So you can have deeper understanding of vocabulary and grammar?
네.
What's made the difference in your progress?
The most significant difference in my progress was made by the course specific daily targets. The most helpful aspect of your course was the personalized feedback. You didn't just point out my mistakes, you also taught me how to learn Korean more effectively and naturally. Additionally, regular supervision and monitoring kept me always motivated and helped me stay focused on my goal.
Thank you. Yes, every day I talked and then every day I asked you what to study. So every
Yes.
single day we were able to communicate and you
Yes.
have your own chat with me. So I taught you what to do personally, right?
네.
If you hadn't taken the fast Korean coaching course, what do you think you'd be doing now?
If I hadn't taken the first Korean course, I think I would still be stuck at level 2 and feeling frustrated and demotivated. My study routine would probably still be unorganized and I might even have lost interest in learning Korean. Without this course, I would likely still be making the same mistakes again and again, moving forward a very slow pace.
Okay, so by taking this course, you think you can go really fast.
네.
Okay. And also you said you might have been lost interest in Korean. Okay, so because of this coaching class, like you can keep your motivation.
네.
Can you tell me your future plans for learning Korean?
My future plan is to achieve TOPIK level 6 as soon as possible, and I hope to use this language proficiency to pursue higher education in South Korea. Ultimately, my goal is to become fully fluent in Korean language and culture so that I could communicate with Koreans naturally and build a successful career in South Korea.
Yes, wow. So building a successful career sounds really wonderful. I really hope you achieve this goal. At the end, many students are watching these videos. Can you give them a message?
To everyone watching, I want to say that learning Korean language is a challenging journey, but it's absolutely possible. If you have clear goal and follow a structured, effective plan like Tammy's course, you can make incredible progress in a short time. Never give up. If you put in consistent effort like I did, you can too achieve your dreams. Enjoy the journey and trust the process. Keep fighting for your Korean language goals.
That's so wonderful. Enjoy the journey and trust the process. That's very wonderful and heart-touching sentence. Thank you so much. Finally, I have a quick announcement. The Korean coaching course that Sajoti joined is offered through my newsletter. This time, I prepared a super special gift for those who register my newsletter subscription. And it's completely free. I know you love this. First, you'll get a complete slide set covering beginner Korean lessons 1 through 50. The total number of pages is 1840. Now you can watch my videos and review them through my textbook. Secondly, you receive a set of elementary level printable worksheets covering units 9 to 27, designed to help you thoroughly review and master the material. This set includes 108 pages. In addition, I'll provide another collection of elementary level worksheets for units 28 to 50, totaling 158 pages. Last but not least, you'll get a complete slide set covering intermediate Korean lessons 1 through 66. If you are interested, please be sure to sign up through the link in the description box below this video. So for today's Korean coaching achievement report, I had Sajoti join me. Thank you very much for being here today.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Okay, let's meet again in the next video. 한국어 파이팅! 파이팅!
Fighting, fighting, fight,
파이팅!
fighting.